Obi will never be Nigerian president. Igbo man will never be Nigerian president. Igbo man should go home and do their what? Homework too well. Fight for referendum. Igbo elites that have money, billions in their accounts, they are not fighting in alignment with nnamdikanu because they are satisfied. See, let me tell you, those Igbo elites, rich Igbos, they are fools. You know why? They don't want to fight the cause nnamdikanu is fighting. They don't want to fight the cause Simon Ekpa is fighting. They don't want to join forces with the IPOB youths. The youth of that region, southeastern region, they have seen far. They have seen what the elites in Igbo land, the elders, could not see in the next 500 years. See, the call by the northern elites for Obi to go southeastern because they are president is a welcome what? Call. Welcome call. Obi is thinking that he will rule Nigeria for what? Fulani man will allow Igbo man, a Jew man, somebody that is a Christian 100%, somebody that is standing on the ideology of the Zionists, somebody that loves Israel, telling you that he is a Jew, for Fulani man to stoop low before him. No. They have some Maghreb, the Chua Arabs in the Sahel Africa countries. These are the Fulanis, they are the Nupes, they are the Chibok, they are the Hausas. These people are the black Arabs. They will never allow Igbo man to become a president in Nigeria. See, let me tell you, Obi should take heed. Obi should take heed to what the Hausa elites are saying in the northern Nigeria. Obi's presidency should be for southeast, not for any other part of Nigeria. Southern East Central state of Nigeria connotes Delta State, Bayelsa River State, Edo State, Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Benue, Kogi, Abia, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and so on and so forth. These are the regions called Biafra coastal line, Biafran countries. Obi should come down east and mix up with Igbo youths and ask them what's up. What do they need? Not going to the north, wasting his money, hard-earned resources, sinking borehole. Can Obi do more than Jonathan? Jonathan erected many Alumajeri schools, over 1,000 houses, Alumajeri schools in the northern Nigeria. Yet, they disappointed Jonathan, they floored him, they did what? They dragged him on the mud. In 2015, presidential election that brought in Buhari administration.
Okay, but sorry, do you not think there's imbalance here? Because you look at the north they rule, Yoruba too they rule. At least, do you not think that there's injustice here? So at least they should allow the Igbo to at least rule. You know, not every time the Yoruba and the West. And we've seen what have happened in Nigeria since 1914. Since 1999. No change, nothing. At least, do you not think there's time for them to give the Igbo opportunity for them to rule?
If you ask me, I will tell you that your question still depicts what I just said. Because none of them want Igbo man to be president, which was why the Igbos are asking for their own separate nation. Emancipation of Jewish state of Biafra. They don't want the Igbos right from 1970s till date. The last time Igbo was Nigerian president was in 1966. Yes, that's the first military head of state, General Aguironsi. So the Nigerian that is made up of Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani, they are looking at Igbos as their enemy. And we are saying that, yes, we are. Be on your own, we are on our own. And let me tell you, never you ever in your life believe that what Tinubu is doing here is what is going on in the southeastern Nigeria. That place is a different administration, different country, different government, different economic and industrial dispensation. Go there, virtually what the Igbos are using in the southeastern Nigeria are manufactured by the Igbos. We don't import or buy anything from Lagos, from Kano, Kaduna, from anywhere, any other part of Nigeria. We are manufacturing within Anambra State, Imo, Abia State, Enugu, and the Ebonyi State, what we are using in the southeastern Nigeria. Ranging from aluminium sheet, tiles, Indomie, all the household wares, toilet soap, everything, detergents, the food we eat, We manufacture it. We don't depend on Nigeria again. See, let me tell you, Igbo man has gone. Anybody that is just seeing Igbo man as a part of Nigeria is dreaming. Empty dream that could spell doom for them, the haters of Igbos in the future. Thank you.
Okay. Igbo man cannot rule Nigeria. That one is sure. Yeah, everybody know. You are just wasting time. No, be for now. You hear the name? Are you hearing the name? Are you hearing the name? Nigeria. Abi? Nigeria. Igbo man cannot rule it.
Why do you say so? Do they not have the mental fortitude or
Nigeria? Igbo man cannot rule it. You know what it means? Aruwa, if they say Igbo cannot rule Nigeria, all Nigeria know that Igbo cannot rule the country. So don't say that Peter Obi can rule the country, he can never. We can manage Yoruba. We can manage Yoruba, we cannot manage Igbo to rule Nigeria. Igbo character is a self-killer like Yoruba character. Everything where Yoruba do, Igbo the what? If Yoruba do something, Igbo patronize it as corruption. So corruption is being pushed out by Igbo from Yoruba. Now dollar is high. Igbo say as dollar high, we sell our product go as a high. They don't wake up to $5 to come down, but they are only to increase price as dollar high. So you need to understand Igbo character. So Igbo character is like Yoruba character, but we can manage Yoruba than Igbo in government. Does that mean? So because Igbo man is a very, very insist I say that Dollar Kuru said that Igbo is the most worst tribe on earth. That's what Dollar said. And they killed his sister. That's how Dollar died. Dollar Kuru, the NAFTA boss. He said, Igbo man, go and ask for Gogu. He's the most wicked man on earth. So they should forget about presidency of Nigeria. Decide to be a slave, sell market, finish. You can't do Nigeria. Maybe if I have mercy, I'll bring you in. You get my point? If I don't have mercy will come with where you spend it. If you don't depend, we cannot save you.
but to balance things, Yoruba have ruled, outside the northern people they've ruled.
For Nigeria, they said it be biafra. How can you say you can do it in Nigeria? Are they not in Nigeria? They're not Nigeria. They are selling. They are slave trade in the Nigerian nation. Don't you know? Igbo man can only trade. You know what they mean by trade? He can only trade. He can't do Nigeria. He don't come out. He come back as refugee. Does that mean? Because you don't know what they call rulership. Maybe you don't know. Igbo man is refugee in Nigeria. They rescue him for war. You can understand, man? If they win him, no chance. He surrender. They bring him back to become a refugee. A refugee cannot rule a nation. He's a slave to that nation. The nation can only feed him. So Igbo man is being feeding by Nigerian because Nigerian do what? They buy their market to feed them. Abi? All the market they sell, Igbo man, Nigerian they buy. When they open shop, Nigerian enter and buy something. So Igbo man is a slave to the country. It's a slave trading. It's a refugee that rescued by war. They win, Nigerian win him for that Biafra war. It was Nigerian Biafra war. Abi, we are Nigerians. He be Biafra. So we win him for that war. So now for him to come and rule the nation of Nigerian, we even have mercy. It would have been like what happened to Scotland and Britain. Would have killed a Yuku and buried his body in 4 parts of Nigeria for warning. But we just left him. Understand me? Because you come out for Nigeria to fight Nigeria to win, Nigerian succeed, win you. So you want to come do that nation again. You can't rule. It's an abomination to rule Igbo man to rule Nigeria. He can never rule. So you should forget about the Peter Obi should forget about the continent. Ekweme cry before. Ojuku cry before. Ugadigbo cry. Many of them were crying. You know what I mean? Tried to rule Nigeria and they fell. So Peter Obi go now start to cry. Just like one man cried for Senate. That Nigeria is not fair to him. He cried for Senate. So Igbo man could ever be crying because of his mistake that he don't want to ally. If Igbo said, Akwa Ibom followed them for that war, Abi? But Akwa Ibom said to them, he said, no, we have made the mistake. Let us correct ourselves. Akwa Ibom not join them again. You understand me? But Igbo man continue to cry for Biafra when he hungry. Nobody say look for Biafra. When he hungry, when business come down, he begin to cry. Give me Biafra, give me Biafra. So you are putting more problem to yourself. So now you don't still believe, say, that means this guy is in this nation. That they surrender to it. Does that mean? So you need to understand that Igbo man is destroying himself. Nobody destroy him. He put himself in bondage. Nobody do him.
Him to say, okay, I get Biafra, let me be Nigerian. Nigerian could have compensated him. But now is he called for Nigeria? Is he called for Biafra? So you are not no way to go. So Nigeria cannot give you opportunity because you are what? You are like this, you are a comedian. Nobody know you. What you can do to give you power. Abi, can we give? Can you give? No, can you give Nigeria Igbo man a president? Can you give it?
And just to balance it.
As wise as you are, can you give Igbo man president?
Don't raise it up. Don't raise it up.
If they are capable, if the person
capable, you don't drop that Biafra. You see the cry for it. A man say no need Biafra again. Be Nigeria now. But you see the cry for that Biafra. That means it's two minds. You know, say two. So how can they give him power to rule? He can never rule. I cannot give him power. He can never rule. He can never rule as far as I know. He can never rule. The man cannot do Nigeria. Until or maybe now new generation will come out and say there's no Biafra. We go rule. He can't cry for Biafra. Now the guy who is in prison, Peter Obi come out to become a president, and your brother is in prison. What did Peter Obi talk about nnamdikanu? Did he say what he do is wrong? Peter Obi no talk say what nnamdikanu do is wrong. Understand me? He want to become president. You know what he can do with his brother inside prison? So why do you think that man? Oh, no, wait, why do you think that? That Igbo man can become president. Your brother is in prison trying to divide Nigeria. He now can become Nigerian president. Is it possible? Are we fools? Igbo man should take the thing to zero. He can never be a president of Nigeria. Never. He can never be. He can never in this generation be a president of Nigeria. Except, he agreed for me to change his life.
I don't know.
Then we can give him president. Understand me? His culture, his lineage must change for us to admire him. So all we do is Igbo man, what he do is what is living in darkness, trying to claim to be anything. You cannot be able to be a president in Nigeria when you are Igbo man. You will find Nigeria want to divide and you don't give up for that country. You don't give up. Igbo man don't give up, he still a cry for Biafra. So how can he give up? So how can we carry power give him when he still a cry? You can't give him. So that is what you need to know. Today Akpabio is a Senate president. He come from Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom, after that war, there are no Akwa Ibom that never say Biafra again. Because they say it's a mistake to them. Understand me? They call themselves out. And Nigerians say this guy don't depend well. Concerning this Biafra. And they join them for Nigeria. Abi? People man no depend on that. You when they hungry say Biafra. When they hungry say Biafra. How can we give you Biafra then? Give Nigeria to rule. That's the problem. Igbo man cannot do Nigeria, otherwise it's true. Can never do Nigeria. Never. So for them to be in Nigeria is a risk to us.
You out of do you not think it's better for us to balance it? Actually just
you can't balance. We have to flush them. We have to flush them. We're going to flush them. You know how we're going to do? We're going to kill them Biafra by force. We cause suicide for them. That's what we're going to do. We're going to give them Biafra and force suicide to them. When we give them Biafra, we go source suicide. They don't get anything. We short lights, short food, short everything. Then they go die inside Biafra. They go no, that Biafra didn't finish. You understand me? That's what we're going to do. We're going to give them Biafra and force suicide against them. You hear my point? Because they will die inside Biafra because we feed them. Lights. Every Igbo man can have nothing for Biafra. No port, no ambassador, nothing. So if we give them Biafra, we're going to force them to go and die. So we kill them. So that's how it's going to be. Because you cannot be able to say you are Biafra inside Nigerian country when Nigeria don't defeat you. You know, feed me up. So there's nothing like Biafra. How do I say the truth? Igbo man can only sell market, and sell market, and sell market. Finish.